Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use My Eyes Only on Snapchat. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. My Eyes Only is an extra folder in your Snapchat memories that can't be seen by other people looking at your phone. It's where you should hide all your personal snaps. To create this folder, go to the Memories page and select some images you would like to hide. Hold down on one to start the selecting process, and then just tap any additional photos. Now tap on the Hide button. This will start setting up your My Eyes Only folder. You will need to create a passcode. Make sure you don't forget it, because if you do, you will never be able to access this folder again. Your My Eyes Only folder should now be created. In order to view the images saved there, you will need to enter your passcode, which guarantees your private snaps are safe from being seen when other people look at your phone. It's also possible to remove photos and send them back to the normal Memories gallery page. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.